everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Sasha Kanaka and today we'll be cooking in the kitchen. I'm back. It's been 2 weeks, but I'm back and I've got a whole lot more creations and I'm ready to feed you guys. I saw a meme yesterday that said that most people that watch vegan cooking shows don't even attempt to make the food. I'm guilty of that. I never did that. When I watched cooking videos, I never made the food. But I encourage you, please make the food. Try my food out. It's simple, it's easy, and it's quick. Today, I will be making something lovely. It is called black bean pasta. It's just a simple pasta that you make with black beans as the primary component and pasta and a whole lot of other spices and of course the normal onions and green pepper and garlic and ginger. I really hope that you enjoy this recipe. It's close to my heart and it's really easy to make. If it's sunny outside, it's lovely to have on the outside on a picnic. If it's cold, this is something lovely to cuddle up in your blankets and eat. We're gonna go ahead and prepare our pan with some oil and allow that to heat up. Once our oil is hot, we're gonna add crushed garlic and ginger. I am using store-bought, pre-crushed and pre-chopped garlic, but if you have fresh, please use that as well. Then we're gonna use some green pepper and onions and we're going to add that to the pot and fry that until the onions become translucent. If you have red pepper and yellow pepper and that's what you prefer, you could add that in as well. This is a great stage for variation in your peppers. We're then going to add a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of paprika and a teaspoon of tomato paste. What the tomato paste does, it adds an umami flavor and it brings in some hearty, like a hearty feel. The cinnamon warms up the dish and then the paprika is just for some balance. It adds another depth of flavor. We're going to give that a good fry down, allow all the aromatics to fry and really to cook down. We also want to cook out the raw flavoring in the tomato paste. And then afterwards we're gonna add raw tomatoes. Raw tomatoes is always good for some fresh zang to your dish. Then we're gonna add some sugar. Sugar balances with the tomatoes. I read somewhere that it said that when you cook with tomatoes you must also put a little bit of sugar just to balance out the taste, and then some Worcestershire sauce. We're then gonna add our black beans. I used a can of black beans. I drained them and got rid of the water, but I didn't wash the beans so that they can remain a little bit starchy. So that's what I suggest that you do. And then we're going to add some of our pasta water from the pasta that has boiled. This pasta water is going to create a sauce for our pasta and it will thicken up the sauce that was already there. It is a great way to create a sauce literally out of nothing. So keep your pasta water when you're making pasta. Then we're going to add in our pasta. You always add your pasta to your sauce, not the other way around. That way you can control how much pasta and how much sauce that you have. Gonna give that a good stir, and just like that our pasta is ready. It is quick, it is simple, and is so delicious, so delicious. You're gonna go ahead and serve this now. I served it with a side of coleslaw just for something fresh with such a hearty meal. I enjoyed it and I'm sure that you'll enjoy it too. I really hope that you try out this recipe. I enjoyed making this recipe, and as quick as it is here, it is going to be just that quick to make it for yourself. So try it out. You will love it. Thank you guys for watching my channel today. Thank you for watching this video. Comment down below your favorite part. Give me a thumbs up. Share this video with your mother, with your sister, with your brother, and with your grandma, because I'm sure she likes beans as much as I do. Thank you. Bye.